Hey elevator enthusiasts, we are down at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Bossier City, Louisiana, and I want to take you guys on the two elevators that they have here. I've got a room here as well, but I saw that Gloose did this video 9 years ago for Jim Lee elevators, so I figured we would go and see if it's changed in the past 9 years. So coming on through. Of course, you have your breakfast area right there. There's the business center back there still. And then right on over here, you have these two beautiful elevators. So let's go ahead and give them a good ride. Okay, nice. So that's going up to the 4th floor. Sensors are working just fine, that's good. Let's check our door open. Oh, yeah, okay, nice. All right, let's go. Oh. It's having trouble. All right, let's go. That was interesting. I don't remember that from Gloose's video. I guess if you press the buttons too much. Nice ride all the way up. Let's take a look at our shaft here. Oh yeah, you can see those sensors. It's kind of dark today. The shaft, let's come on around. Yep. All the way right there. Yep. Really nice elevator. It's a very interesting noise. I've never heard this. I've never heard it do that before. This is elevator number 2. So let's go ahead and send this one up. And then we will check out, I'm assuming it's elevator number 1 right next door. Oh, take a look at the cab too. I don't know if that's changed. I think it was blue in his video. Okay, let's see if we can get this one now. Swimming pool's right over there on the other side. It says 1. Is this one working? Oh, yes. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go up to the 4th. Ooh, okay. Had a little bit, slight little hiccup there. Okay, let's close. Come on. Let's test the open. Oh yeah, opens nicely. That was good. Okay. Come on, let's go. This is interesting. I've never had one of these beep at me so much. Have y'all ever experienced that before? Man, it'd be really cool to make a model elevator. If you had like, you know, a kit type of thing, would y'all like to put something like that together? Let me know that down in the comments too. Simple 6-point lights up top. Elevator 1, Schindler. Okay, it's a Schindler right there. Let's take a look at this one. Very nice. Yeah. Over here on this side, there you go. Beautiful. All right, let's Door closed. Got the handrails right here. Look very nice. I like this like brushed polish look. Pretty clean elevator. I like this blue panel is really interesting actually. I've never seen this blue. I like it mixed with the brushed nickel in the back there. It looks really cool. What do y'all think? What's your favorite elevator interior? I guess we should go ahead and ride this one down one more time. And then maybe we'll go back up and I can show y'all the room that I got, which was pretty cool. So we'll ride it down once more, then we'll go back up. Should we go into the other one? Let's go into the other elevator again. I'm amazed at how much this one beeped at me. Oh, we gotta wait for this one. It was on the 4th floor, it looks like. This one might be a little bit faster than the one over there. Is it gonna open? Oh, there it is. Okay, I was getting worried there for a second. Okay, so I'm on the 4th floor, so let's go ahead and ride it all the way on up to the 4th floor. Love those sounds. I like listening to the sounds. This door, a little squealy. So back here, they do have the vending, but it's just ice. I remember in Gloose's video, they had a vending machine there with like snacks, but that's okay. Because we can go to the room. We should have something to eat in there. Let's see, let me grab my key card here. And we're gonna come on down. But what's super cool is that my room is this one, number 410. It's got the handicap. Here we go. So this right here is my room. Of course, you have your bathroom right there. And then you have your king size bed right here. I got the king size suite, which is super cool. And oh, it's kind of dark. There we go. And then out here, you can actually see the casino over there, which I think they might have some pretty cool elevators too. I might try and go over there and see if I can film a couple of those because I think that would be really neat. If you guys want to see some of the other videos that I've done about elevators, I'm gonna put the best one for you right there on the screen. You guys go and click that video. I'm gonna see y'all in that video. Thank y'all for watching.